If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. All right, so Friday, and from yesterday's video update we're still continuing on with the rejection right over here. So you can see now today we can see that Thursday made a hanging man right there, and that hanging man looks like this. The candle is printing out obviously, and you can see that this was your hanging man right over here, and from here you can expect a reversal to the downside as well. Checking out the EMAs as well. All right, we're just a little bit above the 10 and the 20, nothing big, still nothing very significant right there. You have the previous bear flag coming down like this and whatnot. So let's look at other different market factors like Vanguard. Just want to check out some of these ones. Now Vanguard still shows that there's a drop coming in for that channel all the way to the lowest part of the support level. So you're looking at something like this boom, potentially you're looking for that lowest part drop to the downside for Vanguard. Okay, now basically we gotta check things outside of the crypto world, and this one outside of the crypto world, it does look a little bit weird. DXY was pumping yesterday. I noticed that DXY was making a little bit of a move to the upside, a rally to the upside again. So here we are, came down like this, and I think potentially we've broken a little bit of a downtrend for DXY. We never went to the main target. We were just a little bit short. We went to 114 ever since we broke out of a double bottom out of this falling wedge as well, and the target started right over here, and I was expecting it to go this here, but we were so close to that target. We came up to 114, and that was the end of it. So the DXY currently is down, so hopefully Bitcoin can be weird, but it doesn't matter because even though the charts here are looking good, we can still expect Bitcoin to move even way more lower. So you gotta be careful at this point. Still same story. That's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.